What is up, and welcome back to my channel and another episode of Shundara Creates. But hold up, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Ohana. I would love to have you a part of our Ohana. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Let's see if we can get this video to 500 likes, you guys. That would be so awesome. Also, if you would like to be a part of our Shout Out Wednesdays, which we will be doing on Instagram starting in like a few weeks, you guys, make sure you're following me on Instagram if you would like to be a part of our Shout Out Wednesdays. So in this episode of Shundara Creates, we are making slime, and I'm just pretty much gonna mix all my pigments together, press the slime with nice soothing ASMR sounds. So you guys, let's go get into this video and let's go. So I'm just going to mix a few of my pigments together. Of course, I'm starting off with clear slime. I'm showing you guys it's clear. So this one is Gold Flake 24 karat gold pigment. I really love this pigment. It is so pretty. Then I added a gold reflect pigment to this because you know what? This pigment is so beautiful. So now I'm just putting it in like a little baby blanket to make sure that we just mix it all together, because you know what? That is how you mix this. So I'm just mixing it really fast. And for all these slimes, I just used a simple contact lens solution with a pinch of baking soda, and look how beautiful it is. And I got this gold reflective off of Amazon.com, so that's where you can find it. And it irks me when I get the pigment everywhere, so you see me scraping it up with the slime. But look at how beautiful these gold ribbons are. This will be like a perfect Easter slime, you guys. Seriously, look at this. Look at the gold. Oh my god, it's like a golden robe, like locked beautiful blonde hair. And I really did enjoy this slime so much, so I'm just showing you guys more of it, of course. And now I'm gonna poke it because you guys know I love to poke. So now we're gonna start off with another clear slime, of course, and in this slime we're gonna use a cotton candy pigment color. Now I'm a big fan of cotton candy, so if you are not a big fan of cotton candy pigments, I'm telling you, you really need to get it. And I got this off of eBay. So this is from a car, I would say like a car shop, where they sell pigments for cars, and they have this kind of candy pigment on the car. And I was like, this will look so cute with slime. Isn't it beautiful, you guys? It's nice and stretchy. Oh my god, I really did love the cotton candy pigment of it. I thought it was just so beautiful. Just a perfect color. It was nice and stretchy. Of course, I want to make gold ribbons like I did for the gold reflective because I really love cotton candy colors. Thumbs up this video if you love cotton candy. So for this one, we are going to use duochrome. So I got duochrome off of eBay as well from a car shop. So duochrome colors look better with black, but because this is like clear slime mixing with pigments, I decided not to do it black. But duochrome is like shape shifter or like color shifters. So essentially I used two different duochrome pigments and I mixed them into the clear slime just to get this beautiful color, you guys. Look at how lovely it looks. Oh my god. And so in the sun it shifts from like purple to green. So if I had put black in it, it would shift from like purple to dark purple, like a light purple. But since I didn't add black, it's just mainly like a regular purple. So next, this one's an extra clear slime, and I'm really excited. So this pigment is called a Cancerin pigment, and I got it off of Amazon as well, you guys. And for this pigment, I'm just actually going to mix in some gold with it. And to make it look sort of like, I would say, ASU colors, right? Do ASU colors look like that? No, I think it's a little redder. More red, right? No, these are Sun Devil colors. So anyways, I did it just to make it look, because the Cancerin pigment wasn't really that interesting. So I said if we add gold, it was sort of like in the sun reflect with it. So it's a really cute pigment, you guys. And I just really wanted to mix it all together. Now, this slime wasn't as stretchy as the rest of them, and I think it's because I added too much baking soda. Like literally, if you add too much baking soda, your slime will not be stretchy. But it was still a pretty slime. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Also, let me know what other videos you would want to see. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. And make sure you check out the ASMR sounds. Bye, you guys!